without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone, oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too, oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you, you, yeah. Mayday, mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me, only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind, you know, you ain't never lied.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and the unit that I'm rocking was sent to me by Rpgshow. Shout out to you, Rpgshow, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking, the name is Dominique 022. The order number is WD146. The texture is silky. It is 20 inches long. The hair color is as the picture. The cap size is size 1, which is 21.5 to 22 inches. Y'all bear that in mind. A lot of people always ask me about that, and I do have the cap size 1, which is the small to medium cap size, so keep that in mind. The construction of this unit is 13 by 6 glueless Swiss lace wig, 200% density. Lace color is tinted transparent Swiss lace in light brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and comment on that 200% density. In my opinion, it's not giving it. In my opinion, this unit is giving about maybe 180 to 150. I don't feel like this wig, in my humble opinion, honey, girl, so do what you want to do with that, but in my opinion, this wig is not giving 200%. Is definitely giving 180, possibly even 150. So I want to throw that out there. Now it does say tinted lace Swiss brown, and as you guys can see, old girl woke up like this. Now what I will say is, whenever I'm dealing with tinted Swiss brown lace, I have to kind of make sure I don't put my bronzer on it, because then it makes it kind of show more. And so there is no bronzer on it. I had to put my bronzer down a little bit lower and then just kind of go up. But anytime that I put bronzer on tinted brown sort of lace, honey, it is never cute. Okay, she is never giving what I need her to give. So I want to throw that out there as well. But as far as this unit being pre-tweezed, pre-bleached, and all the things, it definitely came with all of that. Like, girl, she woke up like this. Okay, honey, she woke up like this. She also woke up with these layers. Now I do want to go ahead and say, with these layers, it's supposed to be that what do they call it, curtain bang look. So with the curtain bangs, I always think kind of in your face like a curtain, but child, on me, it's giving more so that butterfly look. You guys know the butterfly look when it's straight hair, and it's kind of like, that's the look that's giving me. So I'm guessing it kind of gives you both. So I want you guys to like keep that in mind. You can wear it in that butterfly sort of look, and you also can wear it with the curtain bangs. Now with the curtain bangs, I expect more of a curl. Now I am wearing this wig pretty straight, and like I said, straight, this unit is definitely giving more so the butterfly look than curtain bangs. But I think if you curled it up, it's definitely gonna give more so of the curtain bang look. Okay, so just kind of keep that in mind with this unit. And as far as shedding and tangling, honey, I have not experienced any other things. It's roughly a straight unit in my opinion, so I didn't expect any other things. As far as it being big head friendly, I always recommend you guys to get whatever cap size you actually wear. So if you wear a average cap size, girl, get it. Okay. I always say their small is more small to medium head friendly, and their large is more large head friendly. Keep that in mind. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as details and specs. So that's pretty much it. If you guys are interested in my pros and cons as well as full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. My con is gonna be my standard con. Like, it's not much room on the super sides. There's a lot of room right here, but there's not a whole lot of room on the sides. So that's gonna be my con. That's it, that's all. Moving on. My pros is, oh girl came pre-bleached, oh girl came pre-tweezed, and oh girl, it's a look, it's a vibe, it's all the things, honey. Okay, I also love the color of this unit. So those are gonna be all my pros on this unit. Girl, yes, I would recommend this wig. Have I ever worn a Rpgshow wig that I didn't recommend? Yes, I would definitely recommend this unit as well. Alright y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and give this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind that I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. Alright y'all, so y'all let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it, if you think it's a look, it's a vibe, if you think it's all the things. Sound off down below in the comments down below. Once again, shout out to you, Rpgshow, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss D on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely. Got every styles and weekly. Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily.